Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color letter X, like a X_ray fish. Let's start drawing. First time I'm drawing the capital letter X. Then I'm drawing a X-ray fish. Please subscribe the channel. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Red color. Orange color.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Pink color.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
It's so beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo.